Why is nobody talking about this Bahamian secret? Everybody's hunting private islands, smaller, closer, way more exclusive. Let me show you why. Sugar white sand, crystal turquoise water, no crowds, just you. A gentle breeze, the sea whispering beneath your toes. It's reached by a short private boat from Mayaguana. 20 minutes of open ocean, then suddenly, paradise. On the Sandbar, set up a luxe picnic, chilled champagne, local conch ceviche, hand-woven shades, a personal guide, pointing out playful rays, and migrating birds. No hotels, no footprints but yours, sheer privacy. That rare, untouched vibe luxury travelers crave. Want more hidden escapes like this? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Island Luxury Escapes for weekly luxury reveals. See you on the next secret shore.